Alright, what's up guys? In this video, today's video is going to be missing today I do another unboxing video for you. I have 5 games. I have 1 game I have for my birthday and 4 games I got for Christmas, I think. Yeah. Now, like I said, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, because we're waiting for 2026 to come. Anyways, I was concerned. This yeah, this is a game I got for my birthday. And now moving on to the games I got for Christmas.
Dang it.
Yeah, I haven't got this game yet, and it hurts to be fun. Now, after I got this game for Christmas, the case got with damage on the bottom here. Yeah, on the side there. No problem, I'll be in replacement in a moment. Soon or later. Game soon. Yeah, I do have another Sonic game we'll see in a bit. Yeah. This game is similar to Nuclear Kart Racers or Mario Kart, I think. Yeah, also comes with this add-on here. It comes with a booklet. Yeah, it comes with this. I don't know what you call it. Yeah, it comes with this really cool poster. It comes with it. Pretty cool, huh? And now here's a close look at the disc. They're almost done. Yeah, and here's the other games. Are made by Ally Games. Here's the last one. Yeah, I might have 2 Sonic games for Christmas. Yeah, as I get this, because last year I saw Sonic 3 in theaters, and I really enjoyed this a lot. And here's this. It comes with this add-on here. Like the one to show you this code here. The one everybody to take my code. Yeah, it comes with this journal, because I'm not gonna go through this back. Yeah, I don't wanna go over this. Go over this journal, by the way. Don't want to waste amount of time. Well, that's been through my unboxing video. Yo, you do get thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.